Relying on a single source of income is one of the biggest financial risks today. Most people depend entirely on their job. But what happens if that income suddenly stops? Bills don't stop. Expenses don't stop. Life continues. This is why many financially successful people focus on building multiple income streams. Multiple income streams give you security, freedom, and control over your financial future. In this video, you will learn a simple step-by-step system to build multiple income streams, even if you are starting from zero. Before building multiple streams, you need a strong foundation. Your main job or business is your first income stream. Instead of ignoring it, focus on improving it. Learn new skills. Increase your value. Try to grow your income. This gives you the financial base needed to build additional income streams. Without a stable base, building extra income becomes much harder. The next step is controlling your money. Many people earn money but don't know where it goes. Small expenses add up quickly. Subscriptions, online shopping, food delivery, and unnecessary spending can drain your income. Start tracking your expenses for 1 month. You will clearly see where your money is going. Once you identify waste, reduce it. This creates extra money that you can use to build new income streams. The easiest way to build another income stream is through your skills. You don't need a big investment to start. You can use skills like writing, video editing, graphic design, or freelancing. Even basic skills can generate income if used correctly. Start small. Even earning a few $100s per month is a big step forward. This is your second income stream. Now comes the important part. Most people earn extra money but spend it. Instead, use your extra income to build assets. Assets are things that can generate income for you. For example, you can invest money. You can create digital products. You can build an online business. This is where your money starts working for you instead of you working for money. Passive income is income that continues with less daily effort. But remember, passive income is not instant. It requires effort at the beginning. Some examples include creating a YouTube channel, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, investing in dividend stocks. Once these systems are built, they can generate income for months or even years. This is how financial freedom starts. 1 income stream is risky. 2 is better. 3 or more is powerful. The goal is to slowly build multiple sources of income. For example, you might have a job, a side hustle, and an online income stream. Over time, you can add more. This reduces risk and increases financial stability. If one income stops, others continue. Building multiple income streams takes time. It will not happen in 1 month. It may take months or even years. But the key is consistency. Small steps repeated over time create big results. Even building 1 extra income stream can change your life. Most people stay stuck because they depend on only one source of income. But those who build multiple income streams create more opportunities, more security, and more freedom. You don't need to do everything at once. Start small. Focus on 1 step. Then build slowly. Over time, your income grows, your risk decreases, and your financial life improves.